If you're seeing GOG error E8, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can help get your download or game update working again. This is a common issue, and most of the time, it can be solved with a few quick checks inside GOG Galaxy and your system settings. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing to try is restarting the download. Open GOG Galaxy, then go to the Download section. Once you're there, click Resume All, and right after that, click Pause All. This quick refresh can help reset the download process and clear any temporary glitch that may be causing the E8 error. After pausing everything, wait a few seconds, then try resuming the download again and see if it continues normally. If that does not fix it, the next step is to check your internet connection. Make sure your connection is stable and not dropping in and out, because interrupted internet can trigger download errors in GOG Galaxy. If possible, restart your router and modem, then reconnect your device and test the download again. A stronger and more stable connection can often make a big difference, especially when large game files are being downloaded. Now let's check disk space. GOG error E8 can sometimes happen if your drive does not have enough free space for the game or its update files. Open your storage settings and make sure you have enough room on the drive where GOG Galaxy is installing the game. It is also a good idea to leave extra space available for updates in temporary files, because some installs need more room than the listed game size. If your storage is almost full, free up some space and then try the download again. Another useful fix is to run GOG Galaxy as an administrator. To do this, right-click the GOG Galaxy shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app the permissions it may need to write files properly, access protected folders, and complete the download without being blocked by Windows. Permission issues are a common cause of install and update problems, so this is definitely worth trying if the first steps did not help. If the game is already installed, you should also verify or repair the game files. Open GOG Galaxy and go to your installed games list. Select the game that is showing the error, then click the settings gear icon. From there, choose Manage Installation and then click Verify or Repair. This will scan the game files and fix anything that is missing or corrupted. If a file is damaged, this step can often resolve the issue without needing to reinstall the entire game. The next thing to test is your antivirus software. Some antivirus tools can mistakenly block GOG Galaxy downloads or game updates, which can lead to error E8. Temporarily disable your antivirus, then try the download again. If the issue goes away, you found the cause. Just remember to turn your antivirus back on afterward to keep your system protected. In some cases, you may need to add GOG Galaxy to your antivirus exceptions instead of leaving it turned off. So to recap, the best fixes for GOG error E8 are restarting the download, checking your internet connection, making sure you have enough disk space, running GOG Galaxy as administrator, verifying or repairing the game files, and testing with antivirus temporarily disabled. Usually one of these steps will solve the problem and get everything working again. If this tutorial helped you fix GOG error E8, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.